So we're reviewing teaching textbooks, version 4.0, pre-algebra, and you can see Susanna here is opening the program. It's very easy to use, easy to log in, and you can see she chooses Susanna and she enters in her password. And then she's taken to a screen where she has several options to choose from, and she chose to work on a lesson. And you can see her here working through the lessons. She's thinking about it. She has a chance to write down the problem, work through it and solve. She's got a calculator option there on the bottom right. The student has a chance to work out the problem on paper as needed, and then they can add in their answer. You can see here the lesson is showing the student how to do the problem and demonstrating it before the student actually has to do their own problems. And so that would be the first part of the lesson. And then you can see here now they go through, review the problem, she enters the portions, the partial answers, and then she can work through the final answer and add that in. You can see that the lesson suggests to use a calculator for certain problems, even though it's okay. I feel like it's absolutely fine for her to use a calculator throughout. We also liked the fact that once the child gives the answer, it gives feedback. And so you can see an example of feedback here. Sometimes they will also give a hint if the child gets it wrong. So they get positive feedback if they get it correct. And then there are times when there may be negative feedback that they need if they get it wrong. And before we close, I wanted to show you, even though this is the geometry account, how we log in as parents. We can adjust the gradebook, anything that's wrong, various tests. You can have them redo it and correct their answers. You can choose a lot of different options within the parent dashboard. And so I wanted you to have a glimpse of this. You can even print it out for your convenience. You can print out tests, which has been very helpful for us in having them look up their wrong answers and figure out how to fix them. You can change the settings as well, allow hints, turn them on, off, second chances, how many lessons they do per day, all within the parent dashboard as well. You can even set it to make them complete the lesson before moving on, which kind of adds that mastery learning component to the course. All right, some more examples of the table of contents, where things are, how to find different things as a tutorial. You can see the lessons and you can work through those as well. You can even print those as a parent if you need to go somewhere where there isn't internet or access to the lessons for your child. You can print the answer keys, you can print an ebook. It's very convenient to have that option as well as the online version. Overall, both of my children, I had one in 8th grade using the pre-algebra as you saw, the other in geometry. Both of them enjoyed these courses this year, and I feel like they've learned better and had a more enjoyable experience with math than ever before.